The following simple steps will show you how to prepare your generator for its first load. Start by placing the generator on a level surface. Remove the 3 screws holding the side panel in place in order to gain access to the oil fill opening. This panel is on the right-hand side of the generator and features an oil fill label to help signify the location of the opening. Slide the panel off to reveal the bright orange oil fill cap in the bottom right-hand corner of the generator. Unscrew the oil fill cap in order to gain access to the opening. To avoid tipping the generator, use a funnel to put in 0.35 liters of oil. You'll know the generator has enough once you can see the oil climbing up the threads of the opening. At this point, screw the oil cap back into place and reattach the side panel of the generator. Next step is to add gasoline. Unscrew the top and pour in up to 1 gallon of 87 octane minimum gasoline until the surface of the gas reaches the bottom of the fuel filter. To start the generator, first turn the vacuum release valve on top of the gasoline cap to the on position. Next, make sure all electronics are unplugged from the generator and the economy switch is off. Turn the dial over to the choke position and then give the recoil starter a pull. Once the generator is fired up, switch the dial back to the on position. The output light should be glowing green as a sign that the generator is running properly. Finally, to turn the generator off, simply switch the dial over to the off position. If you still seem to have troubles getting the generator up and running, or if you just have general questions, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-232-1195. Remember when you had a reliable yet quiet generator?
Introducing Champion Power Equipment's 2000 watt ultralight dual fuel portable inverter. This unit can run on propane or gasoline straight out of the box, and at 39 pounds, this is one of the lightest inverters in its class, perfect for taking on small trips, camping, or using recreationally. Champion's Smart Economy mode can provide quieter operation, extended engine life, and better fuel economy when running under a reduced electrical load. This inverter comes standard with 2 120-volt household outlets, a 12-volt DC outlet, and a dual-port USB adapter for easy charging on the go. Or connect 2 units using a Champion Paralink parallel kit to provide double the power directly to your RV. Read your operator's manual to easily get your unit up and running. Open the box to safely access the inverter. Add oil to the inverter. Move the inverter outside. Add gasoline, or connect your propane supply. Start the inverter, and plug in your desired equipment. Champion's 2000 watt ultralight dual fuel portable inverter, your perfect choice for quiet, clean power wherever you need it.